everybody, welcome to my channel and my dolly studio. I've got my Blythe dolls here. They are anxiously awaiting the first day of the retreat. Yes, the virtual Blythe retreat is less than a week away, so if you haven't picked up your pass yet, please make sure you head down below. I'm going to have a little link there for you so you can head over there to my Kawaii doll shop. When you purchase the pass, it'll have instructions about how to join us on the Facebook group. It also includes a pattern that is going to be used for one of the workshops. In fact, that pattern is for a boho doll dress, and we're going to make that on Friday. There will be 2 projects on each day. So Friday we're going to have 2 workshops, Saturday we're going to have 2 workshops, and Sunday we're going to have 2 workshops. Intermingled in between those workshops, we're going to have all kinds of fun little activities and chances for people to win prizes. And of course the grand prize is right here, bow, okay? But I also wanted to mention that my sister Tapping Flamingo and I have also loaded up. I say loaded, it's not tons, but we have we have added items to our Etsy shops, our respective Etsy shops. So her Etsy shop is called Tapping Flamingo Bling. Hers is quite established and she sells boho jewelry, but she's also, for you guys, she's put together some kits. So if you missed out on the goodie bags and you'd like to pick up some kits to go with some of the projects we're going to be doing at the retreat, and you know, even if you don't do it at the retreat, you can do it after the retreat too, once you take the workshops. Even though we're running it June 9th, 10th, and 11th, the group is going to be open for a good couple of weeks afterwards. So if you wanted to, say, make a couple of more projects and you want some more supplies, that's another reason why you might want to pick up a kit. In addition to the kits, she also has some finished items, okay? So you might want to go over there and see what your doll might like, okay? As far as my shop goes, I've added a boho doll dress pattern. Along with showing you how to make that dress, it also shows you how to make the crochet halter top and the wrap skirt that were in the goodie bag. So that pattern is available. And I've made a few finished dresses. Just a couple. I have about 4 in there, I think, right now. I might be able to add a few more as I'm filming this, or you might see a few more in there. So I have those. Let's see what else. I have some dolls. In fact, you know what? I'm going to shut up. I'm going to show you some pictures, maybe do a little voiceover. If not, I'll have some captions and some music or whatever, and you can see some of the items that are in my Kawaii doll shop, as well as some of the items that Terry has over in Tapping Flamingo Bling. And of course, most importantly, make sure you pick up your pass in Kawaii doll shop if you haven't already. And if you have picked up your pass and you haven't joined the group, make sure you do that, okay? It's open right now. You can't necessarily post there, but Terry and I are already posting things over there, kind of, you know, getting everybody ready for the retreat. So make sure you head over there if you have picked up your pass already. But yeah, otherwise, we're really looking forward to it. Can't believe it's less than a week away. Eek! All right, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.